Join me as I dive into the unknown and explore the eerie depths of Blackness Castle. Will I uncover its secrets or get lost in the dark? Also known as the ship that never sailed, due to its design which looks like a ship stranded on shore. Blackness Castle is a place of immense historical significance, standing tall on the south shore of the Firth of Forth in Scotland, just outside Edinburgh. This imposing fortress has been captivating visitors for centuries with its unique blend of medieval architecture and eerie atmosphere. For generations, Blackness Castle has been shrouded in mystery, with countless legends and ghost sightings that continue to puzzle visitors and historians alike. From strange noises in the dead of night to apparitions wandering the castle walls, the stories surrounding this foreboding fortress are as fascinating as they are unsettling. Many have attempted to uncover the secrets hidden within its ancient stones, but the truth remains elusive. Like a ghostly whisper in the wind, the mysteries of Blackness Castle continue to haunt us. One thing's for certain, this is a place where the boundaries between reality and myth, leaving even the most skeptical of minds wondering what lies beyond the veil of the unknown. As we delve deeper into the castle's history, we find ourselves entangled in a web of intrigue and deception. Blackness Castle has been the stage for some of the most pivotal events in Scottish history, from brutal sieges to royal visits. Its strategic location has made it a prized possession for successive generations of Scottish and English monarchs, each leaving their mark on the castle's architecture and atmosphere. Whether it's the grandeur of the royal apartments or the foreboding presence of the battlements, every stone in Blackness Castle seems to whisper a story of its own. As we explore the castle's labyrinth of corridors, we stumble upon fragments of the past that refuse to be forgotten, from the mysterious disappearance of a young princess to the gruesome fate of a group of Scottish rebels. Every corner of Blackness Castle seems to hold a dark and foreboding secret. And yet, despite the abundance of mysteries, it's the castle's unique energy that draws us in, like moths to a flame. It's an energy that's at once captivating and unnerving, beckoning us to explore the unknown, while warning us of the dangers that lie within. One of the most intriguing aspects of my exploration here was a personal encounter that left me a little shaken. As I ventured deeper into the castle's depths, I began to sense a presence around me, as if I was being watched by unseen eyes. The air grew thick with tension, and I couldn't shake the feeling that I was being led somewhere, or maybe led astray. It wouldn't be the first time. It was an experience that left me questioning the nature of reality itself, and one that I'll never forget. But my experience is just one of many that litter the castle's history, from strange noises in the night to unexplained apparitions. Blackness Castle has been the stage for countless paranormal encounters that continue to fascinate and terrify us. And yet, despite the numerous sightings and experiences, the castle remains an enigma, refusing to yield its secrets to the prying eyes of outsiders. In conclusion, Blackness Castle is a place of mystery and intrigue, a place where the veil between reality and myth is tantalizingly thin. Whether you're a history buff, thrill seeker, or simply someone drawn to the unknown, this captivating fortress is something for everyone. So if you're feeling brave, join me next time as I explore another one of the world's most fascinating locations. What are your thoughts on Blackness Castle? Have you visited this foreboding fortress? Or do you have a story to share about your own paranormal encounter? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my next exploration video. If you like this sort of video, please hit the subscribe, like, and notifications button, and that will give you all the information you need on my next video. Enjoy. Stay scared.